Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and you've checked battery health. First, enable low power mode now to reduce background activity and visuals. This immediately extends runtime. Then inspect maximum capacity and peak performance capability. If capacity is low, plan a battery replacement. Make sure to remove unused accessories and close heavy apps. These first actions cut drain while you prepare for deeper settings changes. Once done with basics, dig into settings to cut steady drains. Lower brightness and enable auto brightness so the display adapts. Night shift reduces blue light and can slightly save power. Next, disable background app refresh for apps that don't need updates. This prevents frequent wake-ups. Make sure location services and Bluetooth are off for apps that don't require them, and switch mail to fetch manually or increase fetch interval to reduce constant network use. To finish, prefer Wi-Fi over cellular and enable optimized battery charging to slow battery aging. You'll get better long-term capacity. Avoid exposing the iPhone to hot or freezing temperatures and remove thick cases during heavy charging. If you still see fast drain, restart the phone and check which apps show high battery use. If that doesn't fix it, reset settings or run Apple diagnostics. If capacity is below 80%, consider professional battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.